Welcome to Mihir tutorials. In last part we have seen Hello World program, and this video I am going to give you a demo of Java objects and classes. So before that, what is object, what is class? So object is an instance of class, means the result of class. So in real world we can say that my laptop is an object of mine. And what is class is a collection of objects, methods, member variables, and so on. So here fan is a collection of wings, so we can say that it is a class for real world example. So guys, let's move to coding part. So let's open notepad. Okay guys, so I'm creating one class demo. Okay, so now I'm declaring member variables. Just see that how we declare member variables in Java using data type. First member scope, then data type would be int, then variable name. Okay, so now void input. Okay guys, let's give its parameter int x and y. Okay, so let's assign it to the a and b. Okay, so now let's create one more method, void show. Here let's print both the variables, so system.out.println. Ln is for new line, and if you write print, so it will print in the same line. Okay, so I'm using println, and here a and plus b to print the variable. Now I'm using one other plus to concat. So don't think that I'm adding something. Here in Java, plus is used for concatenating, so that's why. Now for b colon and here b. Okay, so this class part is over. Now let's go to the class which has a main method. So I'm creating public class cls demo. Here we have to create a main method, so public static void main argument string args. Okay, so now we have to initialize the object of demo class, so demo d equal to new demo. Okay, so now let's call the input method d.input and passing both arguments 10 and 10. Okay, now let's just show it. Okay, so our program is completed. Let's save it first. Remember guys, our public class name and our program file name must be the same. So here cls demo.java, just replace it. Okay, so guys, now let's run it. Okay, java cls demo.java. Okay, now let's run the output. Sorry, we have to remove this C. Okay, so our program is completely running guys. Do you want to see one more example? So let's go for another example. Okay guys, so let's edit this program, and in this program I'm going to show you a use of static variables. So let's change it from private to static. So here both the variable are static in this class. So the question arises that how we use this variable. So you don't have to worry because we are accessing from another class. So we are directly calling its method. So now let's run it. Let's compile it first. Let's run it. Okay, so our app is completely running. You can see here that static variables are of another class, but we have accessed it through the method of it by just calling its method. Okay, now in here I'm going to show you how to access the static method. So static void show. So our method is static. So how we gonna access it? Simply here we have to just write its class name, not its object name. By using its class name we can access the static methods. So let's run it. Oops. Okay guys, so our program is completely running. Okay guys, so now I am showing you another way to access the static methods. So just remove this line. Okay, so now here in this method I'm calling another method, this. Okay, so now here I'm going to, oops, sorry guys, here I'm taking one more method, display. Okay, so now here I'm going to call this method show, and from here I will call this using its object only, d.display. So you can see that our program will completely run. Okay, so guys, our program is completely running. Okay, so now I'm going another way to access this variable. Just remove this, we remove it, this input function. Now we don't need this display function to just remove the static from here. Okay, so let's remove this also. Here dot show method. Okay, so its member variable name is a, assigning it 10, and b also 10. Okay guys, so now let's run it. Okay, so our program is completely running. So guys, I hope that you understand it very well. I have shown different ways of accessing static variable and static methods. So thanks for watching this video, and please keep liking and subscribing my channel.